In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change birthday in Apple Calendar. To do that, we actually work inside the Contacts app because Apple Calendar reads birthday details directly from your saved contacts. Go ahead and open the Contacts app on your iPhone or iPad. On most devices, the icon looks like a gray address book with colored tabs on the side. When it opens, you should see a list of names in alphabetical order, along with a search bar at the top of the screen. Now find and select the person whose birthday you want to change. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type part of their name. When you tap their name, their contact card opens, showing phone numbers, email addresses, and any other details you have saved. Next up, tap the Edit button in the top right corner of the contact card. The layout changes slightly, and you will see text fields become active with small labels such as first name and last name. This edit view is where you can safely change anything about that contact, including their birthday. From there, scroll down the contact card until you see the birthday field. You might need to slide your finger up the screen a bit to reveal it, especially if the contact has many phone numbers or notes. When you see birthday, you should also see the currently saved date right next to it, which is what Calendar is using right now. Once you have found it, tap the birthday date itself. A date picker appears at the bottom of the screen with wheels for month, day, and year. If the contact never had a birthday before, this tap adds a new empty birthday field and opens that same picker. Now enter the correct month, day, and year using the date picker. Slide each wheel up or down until it matches the right date. If you do not know the year, you can leave it as is or pick the best known year, and Calendar will still show the birthday on the right day each year. After that, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. This closes the edit view and returns you to the normal contact card. As soon as you tap Done, the new birthday is saved to that contact, and any app that uses birthdays from contacts can now see the updated date. With that ready, open the Calendar app and check the birthdays calendar. At the bottom of Calendar, make sure you are on the main view. Then look at the month where the birthday should appear. You should see the name of that contact listed on the new date, which confirms the change is now active. You have just updated a contact birthday, so Apple Calendar now shows the correct date automatically. If this helped you fix a wrong birthday, give the video a quick thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more simple Apple tips.